There is already a confident person inside you, screaming to get out. Many people unnecessarily struggle with confidence when they don't have to. They fall short of their amazing potential simply because they don't believe in themselves. They have too much focus on unrealistic expectations of parents, friends, and society. This blocks them from being bold and daring. But it doesn't need to be this way. You just need to let out that extremely capable person inside you, and this course will give you the steps to open the door. Hello and welcome. My name is Damien Andrews, and I've been working and teaching in business for over 25 years. Firstly, I'm not here to waste your time with fancy video and other gimmicks. You deserve better than that. Here, you'll get straightforward, focused, cutting-edge abilities. Confidence only requires a couple of things. When you do the right things, you'll instantly feel confident in any situation. You just need to let out that confident person inside you. Yes, it's true, some people were nurtured by their parents in a way that they grew up feeling confident. But you also have that ability. And doing this course, you'll unleash that power within you. You'll be bold, you'll be daring, you'll inspire those around you. Confidence is a natural ability we all have, including you. So if you're excited by feeling confident all the time, enroll in this course now. Don't wait. Each moment that passes, someone has taken these skills and boldly stood at the top of their world. And with a 30-day money-back guarantee, what do you have to lose? If you're not getting the immediate results, then you'll get a full refund, no questions asked. You've absolutely nothing to lose and everything to gain. Be confident. Enroll right now.